set the
What's up,
pace.
guys? So it's Monday, and as always, I'm in Dustin's window tint shop. Here we have my windshield tinted, ready to go in the Jeep. We're just waiting on the guy to show up to put it in. And I helped tint my first windshield ever. So we're making strides today. Yeah, like I've never really tinted a window before, so I got to help a little bit. Because sometimes these windshields, you know, getting it up over the steering wheel, down the dash, I offered to help, so. But yeah, that's cool. But why I got y'all here, I've been checking out a new YouTube channel, and I can't believe this guy ain't got no followers, man. This dude Jason, I've been talking to him. He's got a channel called Magic Man Metal Fab. I'll put a picture like over there. Guys, go check him out. What he's doing is he does like chassis work, body drops, frame stuff for lowriders. He's got a badass Suzuki Samurai, but he has been doing people's cars for free. And he's got a 56 Chevy wagon in there now that he's doing frame work on. But he does it for free. You just have to pay transport to him and to get your car back. And you got to buy all the supplies and stuff to do it. So he's giving you his time and skill for free. So I can't believe this dude ain't got hardly any views on his shit, because he's doing some cool stuff. But anyway, check him out, and we'll be back when we're doing something. We know this is Kane. What's your name?
Briggs.
Briggs. Guys, this is Briggs. I don't know. He just looked like he needed to be in a YouTube video. So how old are you, Briggs?
10.
He's 10. Already on YouTube at 10. This kid's going to go places, guys. The windshield guy showed up. They replacing the windshield. You know you can trust a man with a beard. So I wasn't even worried when he pulled up. I seen him get out. But yeah, they already got that thing out of there.
Just straight up pulled it off.
Yep, it wasn't put in there worth of shit.
On there at all.
It wasn't put in there worth of shit. They're gonna take care of it. They're friends at Dustin, so Dustin's like, this guy do it right. So yeah, we're getting ready to see how bad everything is in there. This guy, they know how to put a windshield in. Yeah, he knows what the hell he's doing. They already got the Owen in there, the old casualty. Man, we hit a lot of shows for that windshield. But he found a spot right in the middle of the top where it had been leaking, and he said that a lot of that water damage had came in from under that roof skin. You know, we just put the new roof skin on it, so he said that was a big problem area. So it definitely needed the windshield pulled and put in, so I don't feel so bad about breaking it now, because that was a huge problem area. But yeah, check this shit. Like right there in front of the stripper pole is where it had been leaking. You can see my little Bucky in there. I do like some Buckies, guys. And once again, for y'all in the Myrtle Beach, Conway, Loris area, that's Harper Auto Glass. I like to see it when they actually care enough about what the hell they're doing to prep the shit right. That makes a big difference in how the windshield is going to hold, especially when you got a decent sized system. All right, guys, this guy, he ain't playing around. Like, look at all the urethane. And guys, you keep breaking windshields, the urethane's what holds the glass in. So if your roof is solid, your windshield channel up there, and your firewall where it ain't gonna flex, a good bead of urethane is gonna hold that glass. And I know from experience in this Jeep, doing 62s, like 162s, it would shatter a windshield weekly. When I finally found somebody that would use a real fat bead of urethane and prep the channel like these guys did, then, you know, we got up in the mid 64s and the windshield stayed fine. So, and this guy found where I was leaking at, took care of that problem and everything. So yeah, Harper Auto Glass. Where y'all located out of? Galvin's Ferry. So they still relatively close to the Aner, Loris, Conway. Hell, they'll probably go to Myrtle Beach. You need them to. All the time. So, yeah, guys. Just from having a lot of experience having windows put in, when you see people do this much work to put one in, it's hard not to recommend them. I mean, he even glued my damn strip down on the glass. So, and Dustin went ahead and tinted it. And this is that blackout up here. It's like, it's just solid. You can't see nothing through it. No light to go through it. But anyway, guys, I'll be back. So John and his helper are gone. And I'm telling you guys, he put so much work into doing this. You can kind of see in there. He put so much urethane that look at how it squished out. I mean, this thing is never, there ain't no way it's gonna leak. There was a whole section right there that the urethane, like the guy that put it in the last time, he didn't clean that channel up after I did all the welding and stuff on it. And like the urethane just peeled right off because of rust. So he cleaned everything up, primed it, urethaned it, then skim coat, and then he put urethane like that thick on there. It squished out everywhere. I mean, look down there, guys. And he did it that way because I requested it. You know, I told him I wanted a bunch of urethane to hold that thing in, and that's what he did. He told me it would be messy. I told him I didn't care because, you know, I mean, you can see it right there by the glove box and shit. But if you want it to hold, that's what you got to do. So, anyway, I've had a pretty good morning. I tinted my first window. Or well, I helped tint my first window. Got a good windshield put in. So, I don't feel bad about that other one breaking now because it needed to come out and be resealed anyway. Which, in essence, would have cost damn near the same amount as getting a new windshield. So, I ain't feeling as bad. But, anyway, guys, I'm out. Hi, Debbie.
Hi, guys.
Hey, guys, we are home from getting my windshield put in at my window tint guy's place. And look, Temu. I got my name on it. See? I'm always ordering from Temu, but I got pins. Cool. I mean, cool looking ink pens, nonetheless. I don't know. And this, I have no idea what this is. None. I mean, what the hell is that? An American flag hat. USA, baby. A We the People shirt, but it's 5X. I don't know, man. And I don't know what this shirt is, but it's 5X. The crazy thing, I didn't order none of this, but my name's on the package. Honey, what the hell are these? What are them? I don't know. Man,
Those are shoehorns.
I got all excited when I saw my name on the package. Like, yeah. If y'all want to send me shit, that's my address. I ain't gonna hide it, guys.
They're shoehorns.
But I don't know.
You put them in the back of your shoe to help you.
I mean, do I float this? Do I just keep it as a float shirt? Like, we throw it up in the window. Do I wear the 5X We the People American flag shirt in this on the 4th of July? But I got cool pins.
You can use the hell out of the pins.
Did one of y'all just send me this shit, not know my size? I don't think y'all would have sent me this shit.
Temu?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Anyway, here's a casualty for my build. Like, the guy used so much urethane on my windshield that I literally need to leave that thing parked in the sunlight for like 5 days. You know, they tell you 3 days, but that's when you get a bead of urethane the size of this pin. Y'all saw what he put on there. He put 2 beads bigger than the size of my thumb. So it really needs to sit. I couldn't play it on the way home because if I hook my bass knob up and turn the sub amps on, if I just barely move this, it's like crackling and staticky, and yeah, so I don't have a bass knob. we're going to try to put it in rice. What it is my windshield was leaking so bad in the middle. Like, literally, there was rust under the urethane. It just came right off, you know. They didn't even have to pull to get it off air. It just came off on its own. But we got water in here from it being in my console. So, yeah. We're going to try to stick her in some rice and see what happens. Try our best to get the moisture out of it, and hopefully it'll work. So, anyway, I was seriously considering trying to put some fur up in my Jeep. I miss my fur, guys. It made it feel like warm and home in there. So I don't know. It's pretty warm out today. So I don't know. I might go get a snack somewhere and then maybe do it, because I mean I got 5 hours of daylight left. But also, guys, you know, I told y'all to follow Magic Man Fabrication. I just think it's cool what he's doing with doing free builds for people for nothing. And then if y'all are in the area and need a windshield, I definitely recommend this windshield guy. He went over the top, and he was considerably less money than the other people that normally did my windshields for me. So that's a win-win right there. I mean, he actually took his time and did everything great putting my windshield in. So I definitely had to give him a shout out. And then my buddy Dustin. I mean, I met this windshield guy like a month and a half, 2 months ago, man. And he's like a second brother to me. And I've been in his shop every damn Monday. It's like my Monday thing now is being in his shop for one thing or another. But he helps me so much. He's actually going to Raptor line the black Jeep for me. So, you meet some of the greatest people doing car audio. But if I do anything else, I will be back and film it. If not, you'll see this video uploaded. But anyway, peace, guys. What is going on, guys? Like, check this shit out. It is everywhere. We're waiting on the wind to blow it away. Like, even all over my fingers. But me and Dad, we went and ate some Chipotle, guys. We had the old Chipotle. Took the old black Jeep there, ran the AC, bumped the radio a little bit. It's starting to get, it's moving Deb's hair now. Not enough to be a hair trick, but it's starting to move hair. But like I said earlier, I wanted to put my fur back in here. I bought this fur when I had the old enclosure in here. And it was like this teal green color, and that's why I bought it. And I never could, it didn't match shit I had in it back then. So now that, you know, I got this teal shit going on in here, it actually matches. And I'm just like, I want to do a little bit in here. So I didn't do the whole headliner. We just kind of went around the basics of it, you know. And that's enough for me. I'm happy with it. It makes it a little more inviting in here. I've mentioned in other videos that I noticed without having any material in here at all, because I ain't got no carpet or nothing, everything just doesn't have a good warmth sound to it. Will this change that? Hell, I don't know. But I want it in here, so we did it. I need to get it blowing around to cover up some of the jagged shit we got. Like, I just kind of went to the edge of the board, to the edge of the windshield and shit, so it's all good. And it's a good way to finish out the day. I mean, it ain't been a super eventful day. I helped tint my first window, though. I keep bringing that up. I was actually happy to help tint that window. But Jangalang is done for a while. Yeah, we got to wait a good 5 days for that windshield to cure. So while that's going on, and the base knobs and rice, I'll be driving the old black Jeep for all this week. I did fill her up with gas while we were out. So yeah, guys, that's a video. Nothing cool, nothing audio related really, but a video nonetheless. So this weekend's kind of sucked for Jury Ain't Loud videos, but it is what it is, guys. All of them can't be great. I mean, if they were all great, I'd be making whistling diesel money off here and not still having to work a full-time job while I'm doing it. But Anyway, guys, I will catch y'all on the next video. So till then, peace out, guys, and as always, bass on.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still